Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. Today, we're going to solve 3 fraction problems. First, subtraction of fractions. Let's make the denominators the same here. The denominator here is 6, and here, if there's nothing underneath, it's 1. No, you don't need to calculate to find the LCM. The least common multiple of 6 and 1 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 6 divided by 1 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 7 minus 6. So what's the answer? 1 over 6. That's the answer to question A. Let's move on to the next one, which is about dividing fractions. What's the rule? You keep the first fraction, 5 over 8, and multiply by the reciprocal of the second. So it's 5 times 3 equals 15. 8 times 1 equals 8. Here, you can't divide 15 by 8 or simplify it either. So the answer is 15 over 8, okay? Now let's solve letter C, multiplication of fractions. Is it possible to simplify here? Well, it is possible. We can divide 14 by 2 and 12 by 2, which gives us 7 over 6 times 24 over 7. What can we do here? There's a 7 here and a 7 here, so we can cancel them out. That leaves us with 24 over 6. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Answer for letter C, 4. Well, quick and to the point, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on which topics you want to see in the next videos. See you in the next video.